YouTube family. What's going on, you guys? All right, Yancy here. Welcome back to Luxury and Lifestyle Sundays, you guys. I don't even know where to begin. Okay, so let me first start off by saying I think I'm going to keep this like background in this recording area because I kind of like it. I like the way it's looking. I like that my computer's right there in the back. I like that I have this new little rack right back there. You know, that's actually what I'm going to use as a backdrop for me trying on clothes, me doing my Instagram reels. Also like my TikTok and everything like that. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and go there. I'll link everything below, you guys. But either which way, I'm trying to get this in before the sun completely disappears. I do have some light. That's why it looks a little bit like glamorous. But this video was not supposed to be the video that I was supposed to be putting up. It was supposed to be a completely different video. So the video I intended to put up, I'll put it up the following week. All right. Next Sunday or what have you. But I wanted to put this one up because I wanted to let you guys know about this bag, because it's literally going to be the bag of the season. All right. So if you guys remember, I reviewed the Coach Hero bag last week, which was a crossbody bag. That video is gaining a lot of steam, and I thank you guys so very much for that. Go ahead, if you haven't seen it, I will put a card up right here. Go ahead and click on that. Go watch that. Come back to this one. But definitely check that out. Tell your family, your friends, let them know about that video because the bag is a really cute bag, you guys. But in that video, I did say that at some point, I wanted to get the Coach Hero shoulder bag. I literally kept thinking about that bag. I was thinking about outfits with that bag. Like the bag I couldn't get out of my head. So I had a discussion with my husband. Either which way, that's going to be the last bag of the year. But I'm happy about that. Now, all right. With that being said, there's a little bit of things that kind of went into this bag that I have to discuss with you. But either which way, let's get into the bag, you guys. All right, you guys, I don't even know what happened. Camera started acting funny, but either which way, don't even know where I left off. So basically, yes, I have it right here, discussed this cutie last week. The Hero crossbody bag is a beautiful bag, you guys. And like I said, I discussed the Hero shoulder bag. If you are at all on the fence about this bag, you guys, don't be, because once again, Coach has done it again. And these bags are selling out fast, at least in the petunia color. All right. So let me just get into it because I know you guys are like, wait a minute, what's happening? So bottom line is, yes, I went ahead and I purchased the bag and it just got here. Like I said, I was planning on doing a completely different video for you guys. And this bag came. I was doing or about to do a TikTok for this bag. And as I was doing it, as I took it out of the box, I was inspecting the bag and I was not happy. I was not happy at all. But I'll get into it. All right. So here is the bag. All right. Here she is right here. I'm going to go ahead and take her out. So like I said, you guys, I've already looked at her. And if you've been following me, you know how I am, you know how I like things, you guys. So yes, this bag is a cutie. This bag, just looking at everything right now, but I will go ahead and put in here me actually opening the bag. That way, if Coach happens to be looking at this video, they can actually see that, yes, I did go ahead and open it. And it's beautiful. The bag is beautiful. This is the petunia color, aka pink for me. So I am in love with this bag. However, it did come scuffed. It came dirty. I don't know if you can see it. I will try to, let me see. Hopefully I can show you right there, but there's a dirt mark right there. There is it right there? Nope. Dirt mark right there. It came scuffed. You can see it right there. And there's also one right here. So either which way, you guys, I literally called my boutique and they only had display. She told me to call customer service. I went ahead and did that and they didn't have any more. She looked around. They only had like a few left. So either which way, I called back to my particular Coach store, and the essay there called so many different places. I'm talking about different malls in Florida, different malls in other states. And she actually located one that is in great condition, no issues whatsoever, and that they are sending off Monday. She made sure that it was in great condition. And like I said, they're sending it off Monday. So basically, I am not happy with how it came. And it could be, something that had to do with the warehouse or whatever like that. But as far as like the bag itself, I am happy with the bag as far as like how it looks, just the color. And again, I'm not going to let it deter, how I'm feeling about the bag itself, because I do like the bag. I wanted this bag. This is the bag my husband originally picked out for me. And I went with this one, which I'm still happy about. But again, you guys know how I am. When I got my Top Willis bag, it had this huge scratch down the middle. I called my Coach store and they replaced it. So I think the thing that was irritating the most to me is the fact that I wasn't sure if they were going to actually, or anyone was going to actually have this particular bag. The problem that I had also, and I'm not going to take anything off of anything because I'm going to just return it right back to the store so they can keep this one. But I did want to go ahead and show you guys this bag and tell you, if you were at all thinking about this bag, you need to get it. Because again, this is going to be the it bag. It's literally already flying off the shelves. No one has it in this particular color. Which, if this is too much for you, if it's too loud, they do have it in several different colors, and I'll definitely put pictures up. However, this color stood out to me. This color is what I loved, but once it comes in the beautiful, pristine, perfect condition that I know it will be in, then I can go into complete details with you guys as far as what fits in it, like how I style it, so on and so forth. But just off the top, let me get the bad out of the way. It didn't even have a hang tag. It did not have a hang tag. And I looked at it and I was noticing it while I was actually talking on the phone with the customer service rep. And I was like, wait a minute. Because normally when I purchase any bag from Coach, it has the hang tag. It's on here. It's wrapped up. It's beautiful. You have to actually take it off. Nothing. Of course, the tag is in here. No hang tag. I opened this up. No hang tag. So again, you have, like I said, this is wrapped up. Normally, a lot of times this is actually attached to like the D-ring as well, but it wasn't. So there are a few little, things that are still wrapped, but not to my pleasure. So just giving you a, tiny review of the bag itself, you guys. This particular color is petunia. All right, so it's brass and petunia with the brass, which is on the hardware on the front. Of course, this is the horse and carriage collection. You can't see it because again, I'm not going to take the wrapping off. I'm going to keep it on. It does have a back pocket. All right, it has a snap closure, which of course, I opened just now, and you actually have 4 compartments. So you have compartment 1, 2, 3, and then this zipper compartment that's right here. Then you also have this button snap closure flap that's right in the back. So you have a lot of space to store things in this particular bag, you guys. I love the accordion style at the bottom. Doesn't have feet, but as you can see, it is a glove tanned leather, which of course will explain like the scratches and everything like that. But again, I'm sure people are going to be like, well, it's going to get scratched regardless because of the glove tan leather. And you're probably right. But it wasn't scratched by me. And I needed to be scratched by me, by my wear and everything like that. And it was not. And that's not how I like my bags to come. Like for the amount of money that you pay, and no matter how much money you pay, it should come in perfect condition. So I don't want it dirty. I don't want it scratched. I don't want it worn unless I'm literally buying it you know, secondhand or whatever like that, then that's fine because of course it's going to be wear. However, this is supposed to be brand new and it didn't come that way. So I am not happy about that. The bag itself, I'm literally ready to wear because it's just that beautiful and perfect. So yeah, either which way, you have the top handle. You have this beautiful tab that's right here. And then of course you have the D-rings that comes. And of course, you have the D-rings that allow the strap to be attached to. So again, you guys, you know, it comes with a strap that's detachable and adjustable. And I like that. So really quickly, just kind of like reading you off the dimensions of this cutie. All right, so you have 8 3/4 in width. Height, you have 6 1/4 in height. And in width, you have 4 1/4 inches in width, you guys. So it's a pretty good bag to hold the amount of things that you need it for. As you can see, like I'll show you, here is my Coach Hero crossbody bag. So the bags are beautiful. You can see the difference. Mainly the two biggest differences: top handle, no top handle, the size, of course. But again, you have a bigger D-ring. But what's that? That is a hang tag. And this doesn't have one. So yeah, I'm not happy about that. But again, the bag is beautiful. So my first impressions of just getting this particular bag, like I said, when I opened it, you know, I was really ecstatic. I really liked it. But again, the excitement diminished because of everything that I saw on the bag. But I did my research, I did my due diligence, and I looked around to see if they had another one. They did. According to my essay, they are going to ship it out on Monday. And once it comes, then I will send this one back to the store and I will pick up my brand new one. So yeah, I just want to kind of share that with you guys because again, I could not hold back from getting this. It's very beautiful. I love the color. I love the brass on here. I like the fact that it has so many pockets, so many compartments to hold all of your items. Again, I just wasn't impressed with how it came. And again, it could have been from the warehouse, and that is not the fault of you know, my essays or, you know, Coach per se or whatever like that. But I think just definitely with this glove tan leather, you definitely need to be careful with how it's packaged. And it looks like it's, I don't know, I can't say worn because like I said, it has, you know, some of the plastic and everything like that on it, but it just looks a little bit darker on the ends and around it. But the stitching is beautiful. It's handcrafted, if I'm not mistaken, but it's just gorgeous. I love this bag. Like I said, you guys, if you are definitely thinking about getting it, you need to. Now, the colors that it comes in, of course, is this petunia. It does come in an off-white color, and I'll put the pictures all up here so you guys can see it. It comes in the signature canvas. It also comes in this beautiful fabric and leather material, you guys. So if you were not at all a fan of this bright pink, because it is a brighter pink, I don't even have to explain it, but it's not like a neon pink, but it's a pink. I have actually a pink shirt on and you can see the difference. But it's pink. It's like, you know, hot pink. It's like Pink Friday pink, pretty and pink. So it's, you know, girly pink. It's really cute and I like it. So I just have a few bags here to kind of show you the difference. This is a really softer pink. This is my Tory Burch bag, and you can see the huge difference. So this is a soft pink and it's not really showing up like that, but it's a really soft pink. And of course I have my Coach Pillow Tabby. This is a pink and you can see the difference in these two. So this is definitely a brighter pink, and a lot of people aren't into, you know, the really bright pink colors, and that's okay. I am, but if you're not, that's all right. You have the cream, you have the signature canvas, and those are beautiful bags to get as well. So you know, it's just really up to you. So yeah, so my first impression of this bag, you guys, once again, would I purchase again? Absolutely. Coach is definitely taking care of the situation with the bag being scuffed and messed up. So I am happy about that. And it's not like I called corporate or anything like that. I definitely just called customer service because I actually first called my essays over there at my particular boutique, and they said the best thing to do is call customer service because I didn't want the one on display, because of course when everybody's holding it and touching it, it is kind of getting scuffed up as well. So I definitely didn't want that. I want it brand new, non-touched. and with the packaging on there. So they did their due diligence. They looked, they searched, and they found. And I am happy to say that it will be on its way coming. And then once it does, and I will go ahead and completely unwrap with you guys. I will go ahead and tell you what fits in the bag, and I will try to do some styling with the bag itself. That way you have an idea of how it's worn, you know, the length in the strap and everything like that. So yes, that is my Coach Hero shoulder bag unboxing. That is my first impression. And that is my situation with this particular bag and what happened and what's going to happen with the bag itself. So today is Saturday, March 12th. I'm going to be putting this video up on Sunday, March 13th, but I definitely wanted to put this up to show you guys and tell you guys, because if you were thinking about this particular bag, you definitely need to go and order now, because I don't know the amount of bags that they have in the other colors, but for some reason or another, this petunia one is just, it's flying off the shelves, you guys. All right. So yeah, I have in the crossbody, and that's going to be in the papaya and brass. And then I also have the shoulder bag, which is the bigger one, in the petunia and brass color. So I'm happy. I'm content. I love these two bags. And yeah. All right, you guys, that is it. That is my first impression and unboxing of this beautiful Coach Hero shoulder bag. And if you guys have any questions, if you had any concerns as far as like ordering, what you need to do in the event that something does happen with your bag on arrival, you know, leave your questions below, leave some comments below, let me know. But if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, go ahead and like, comment, and share. And most importantly, you guys, go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. That way, the more the merrier. We can start having more family members join this community, all right? And I would greatly appreciate that. Also, do not forget to hit that bell. That way you're notified each and every single time that I upload. That way I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here. All right? All right. That is it, you guys. That's all. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Have a fabulous week coming up, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.